Homeroom guidance for grade 7, module 3, first quarter, week 5 to 6. Embracing uniqueness. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to: number 1, distinguish your own uniqueness and the characteristics of your immediate others, like family members. Number 2, identify actions that show respect for individual differences as observed in family interaction. And number 3, value the importance of good relationships and individual differences. Do you like spicy foods? Some people may answer yes, and some will automatically say no. Those who say no might dislike it because of the burning sensation it gives to the mouth, while some can't handle it at all. Those who say yes might really just like it very much. All of us have different tastes, different likings, as well as ways to enjoy. In this module, we will go deeper and understand how people make good relationship even with individual differences. We can also distinguish different actions of people around us that influence our improvement as a person despite the challenges in the current times. Let's try this. Uniqueness in our family. Identifying one's uniqueness starts at home. Your family is composed of different members who have differences as well. You may differ in opinions, beliefs, characteristics, and abilities, but you still live in harmony. Copy the table below on a clean sheet of paper, and then complete the table by writing your personal response under column B. Interview at least two of your family members and fill in columns C and D. Then, after which, answer the processing questions after accomplishing the table. Questions. Do you have the same answers as the other members of your family? What are these? How are you different from your family members? Cite some examples. Let's explore this. What will you do? There are similarities and differences among individuals. Some of these are obvious, others are not. It is important to recognize and respect your similarities and differences with the people around you in order to strengthen your relationship with them. Read each situation below and answer the questions. Write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. Situation 1. Your younger sister shows difficulty in her schoolwork and you would like to help her. However, you also need to submit your school requirements the next day. What would you do? Situation 2. You overheard your parents talking about their plans for your future. They plan to send you to a medical school. In silence, you were determined to be a fashion designer. How would you tell your parents about your dream? Situation 3. Water supply in your area is very limited. You shared the little supply with the rest of your family. If your friend told you that you have an unpleasant smell, what would you do? Questions. What did you consider in answering the different situations? Based on your answers, how did you face your differences with other people in the situations? Is it easy to maintain a positive relationship with others despite differences? Keep in mind, we have to respect uniqueness. Being unique is something that you can be proud of. Could you imagine if the people in your community have the same face? That would be a challenge to determine who you are interacting with. Hence, the uniqueness of each person serves them to be recognized by others. You can easily identify your friends through their faces, preferences, gestures, and expressions. Keeping this in mind, we learn how to respect their individuality and establish healthy relationships with them. Here are some practical and effective ways on how to show your respect for others' uniqueness. Acceptance of individual differences will help us in establishing healthy relationships. Number one, recognize individual differences. As we interact with other people, we tend to compare and differentiate our personal traits, characteristics, and behavior from others. We can easily identify similarities and differences amongst people. It is essential that we value our individual differences so that we will be able to understand the reason behind other person's actions, beliefs, and behavior. Empathize. To empathize means to see others' perspective, to recognize others without judgment, and to understand others' feelings. Showing empathy can help you identifying the needs of others, in building emotional connection, and in establishing meaningful relationships. For example, you saw your classmate crying because he failed in the examination. You can empathize by listening to his concern and offer words of encouragement. Speak with kindness. Proper communication is essential in showing respect for others. The best way to communicate is through our words and actions. That is why it is important that we understand how to speak with kindness. You need to properly choose your words and the and the tone of your voice. It is important that before we speak, we also listen. Being kind in words and in actions would lead to a healthy relationship. On the other hand, shouting or being rude to others leads to misunderstanding, fighting, and broken relationships. Promote positivity. Positive words and actions can influence the quality of our relationships. Remember to use words of appreciation, gratitude, and encouragement, and show actions like smiling, nodding, or tapping the shoulder to show affirmation. Express personal thoughts and feelings in an appropriate manner. You can express your thoughts and feelings by communicating with your family members, teachers, friends, or other people whom you trust. You can also have a personal journal or an e journal in your mobile phone. You can also express your thoughts and feelings through creative arts. Expressing thoughts and feelings in an appropriate manner will promote personal growth, harmonious relationships, and respect for others' uniqueness. Care to show compassion. Caring to show compassion is also showing respect for others. The best way to show compassion is to be a friend. Being a friend means being a listener, showing good example, having concern for the welfare of others, and providing support during times of difficulty. Treat everyone with sincerity. Treating everyone with sincerity means being honest in our words and actions. We can show sincerity by keeping our promises, giving honest comments, being consistent in our behavior towards others, and accepting our personal limitations. However, we need to be mindful on how to express our sincerity to still empathize our good intention. You can do it. Choose a word from the box below and give an example on how you are going to use it to promote respect for individual differences and healthy relationship. Write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. What I have learned. Answer the following questions on a clean sheet of paper. How will you promote good relationship in your family? How will you inspire others to respect individual differences? Share your thoughts and feelings. On a clean sheet of paper, create a slogan about embracing the uniqueness of every person. You may use different art materials that you have at home. Below is the sample of the slogan. Embracing uniqueness is the key to transforming relationships. Congratulations! We are done with our homeroom guidance for grade 7, module 3. Thank you so much for listening. God bless everyone.